Hi guys, hope you're having an awesome day. In this how to draw video, we'll be drawing SpongeBob SquarePants.
SpongeBob SquarePants!
That's right, who lives in a pineapple under the sea. So we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Alright, so we've got a paper. Now the first thing we're going to draw is the outline of SpongeBob's head. Now his head, because he's a sponge, is kind of like a wavy sort of shape. So we can draw 4 sides, kind of like a square, but we do this nice wavy shape like that. And we just do it all the way around. Okay, there we go, that's good. Now with that square, it's not perfectly square. You can make the top of the head a little bit wider than the bottom. Alright, so let's draw some details on his face. So I think we'll start off with his nose in the middle first. So it's just a nice little round shape like that. Kind of like an oval, but we leave a little bit of a gap open. And then we draw his eyes. So his eyes are behind his nose. They're quite big.
They're quite big.
Yeah, so we do a big round eye like that. And then we'll do another circle in the eye, which is the iris. And then inside that we draw another one. A smaller one like that.
That's those circles.
Yeah, so this smaller circle there is normally blue, so we'll do that blue later and the rest is white. And we just do the same next to that as well.
Circle, another circle, and a dot.
Yeah, that's right.
And then let's do his big smiley mouth.
Yeah, let's do his big smiley mouth. So it's just right underneath that. So we'll do a big smiley mouth. And then in the corner we'll do 2 little curved lines there for his cheeks. Now you know SpongeBob has a couple of red dots there. There's like freckles. We can colour that in later. Now okay, what you've done is you've opened your SpongeBob's mouth. I'm going to keep mine closed, and when he's got his mouth closed, he's got 2 teeth sticking out there like that. Or, yeah, exactly right. So you've done yours open, and you can see you've got the tongue there as well. I left mine closed, which is fine. Now, one thing we forgot, he looks a bit funny because we haven't done his eyelashes.
Ah!
So he's got 3 eyelashes, so we can draw that like that. But they're a little bit of a triangle shape. So they're a little bit wider.
It looks like a girl instead of a boy.
Now, the other thing that we haven't drawn is he's got lots of green spots because he's a sponge.
Okay, yeah.
So there's little holes. So we won't colour them with black marker. You can if you want to, but we're going to colour those in a little bit later. They're normally green, so we're going to add some green spots later. Alright, so that's his head. Now let's draw his body. So he's got, as his name is SpongeBob SquarePants. He's got square pants, so we just
rectangle pants.
Well, yeah, sort of rectangle.
Yeah.
So we draw a bit of a rectangle there. Alright, and now he's wearing a tie, so he's normally got his little red tie. So what we do is we draw a little square up there, and then we draw his tie, which is kind of like a bit of a diamond shape. Just like that. Yeah, very good.
And we can put a line there, but we don't go for we stop right there and then skip that part.
Yeah, that's right. So first, before we do that, he's wearing a shirt, so we add 2 little triangles next to each of his tie, because that's the collar of his shirt. Alright, so next thing we halfway through his pants, we draw a line, which will go behind his tie.
Do the same thing on the other side now.
Yeah, so the top bit will be his shirt and the bottom bit will be his pants. Now he's got a bit of a belt, so you can actually see some of his belt. It's actually just 2 dashes on each side of 2 black lines like that. Alright, so let's draw his arm. So we'll draw an arm on the side here, just where his head meets his body. And we'll draw his sleeve, so it's a bit of a shape, a rounded shape like that, and then straight and a slight curve. And we'll draw his arm, so he's got quite long, skinny arms, and at the end of it, he's got 4 fingers. Now the fingers kind of look like little sausages.
Yeah. And then do something on the other side.
Yeah, so there we go. And then we'll just do the same on the other side there as well. Yeah, very good. Alright, so we're nearly there, so let's draw his legs. So now he's wearing shorts, so what we're going to draw is two little rectangles sticking out from the bottom there. And then let's draw his leg. Again, it's very long, skinny legs, yeah. Cool. And then he's actually wearing socks, so about 2/3 of the way up, we're just going to draw a little line on there because he wears his socks quite high. Alright, so let's draw his shoe. So we're going to draw it coming down there, and it looks like it's quite round shoes. It almost looks like a bit of a peanut shape.
Yeah, that kind of.
Yeah, so there we go. And now on the shoe, he's normally got, we'll colour that in black, but normally he's got a really big highlight. So we'll do a nice big circle like that. And then we'll just do the same on the other side there. Okay, so there we go. That is SpongeBob SquarePants. And the next part now is to colour in. Okay, and we've finished colouring in, and I think they look wonderful. Now we've done some extra details which we didn't add in before. We've obviously added the green spots on them, as well as the little green freckles next to his mouth as well. And also on his socks, he's actually got some stripes, a blue and a red stripe as well, so we add that in. So there we go. Are you happy with your drawing?
Yes!
That was great. I think you did a really wonderful job. Now you can make it your own, so as you can see with Natasha, you've opened your mouth, I've left mine closed, but you can put the arms in different positions, and you can put the legs in different positions, so you can draw it any way you like. So there we go. So I hope you followed along and had lots of fun. Check out our channel, we've got lots of other fun drawings for you to enjoy. Hope to see you again next time. Bye.